this big connector, which is the same as that one. We'll go ahead and next thing, all we gotta do is we gotta measure and make sure that where it's aligned right now is the exact same length. So if you can see right here, see how this boot is in further? This is in further, which means this side, it's a bit odd. Let me see here. I don't think I got it all the way lined up. All right, that looks about right. So the tie rods are a little bit off. See how this is a little bit further out. You can tell there's more splines showing on this side and on this side. So we're gonna have to adjust this, break this loose, bring her out some. And then this side, we can count the threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 6 threads showing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 6 threads showing on this side. This side's good. This is the only side that we gotta adjust. So we'll do that now. So I counted 5 threads here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just pretty much put my other nut in the same position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjust it, and then so all you gotta do now is rotate your outer tie rod until you bring it up to where it's supposed to be at, and then we can put her back on.